Let's catch up with Bulele, who is in the kitchen. Bulele, what's cooking?
Look, man, a whole lot is about to get cooking in the kitchen. We are making a spicy scrambled tofu. And look, a lot of the time, we have a lot of people that are quite skeptical when it comes to going on a vegan diet. But that's why we've got Chef Videhi in the kitchen with us to run us through it and tell us a little bit more about it and maybe teach you more about the vegan diet. We've prepared a lot of the ingredients that are going to be going into today's meal. Chef, just quickly tell us, when we saw the tofu, this that we have right here, it was a square block. So what have you done now to prepare it before going into the pan?
Okay, so what I've done here is I just chopped it up.
Okay.
Sliced and chopped it up and just keeping this ready for the tofu.
Okay.
The scramble, tofu scramble.
Yes.
I've also prepared the veggies. I've chopped up the peppers.
Okay.
Chopped up the tomatoes and your onions.
Okay.
These are your capers and your olives. We're going to be adding that in the last section of the dish.
Okay.
That is just going to add more flavor to that.
Okay.
And that is essentially what I've done. I've also got the avocado.
That's chopped up there as well.
Which I sliced.
Okay.
This is just an accomplishment to the dish.
To the dish.
Yes.
Look, man, we haven't even started cooking, but I can already smell the different aromatic flavors that are coming through from the different spices that have been lined up on the table. So stay with us, because when we get back, we're going to get into the cooking and find out more about the vegan lifestyle. We'll be right back.